Hello, this is Gilles, the radio prepper at radiopreppers.com, and today we're using the Weber MTR with the Elecraft T1 tuner, homemade paddles, and guess where I am? The Canary Islands. You might be able to see the 6-meter pole there with a wire coming down, and the 9-to-1 Hershey EARCHI Unun with 10 meters of RG174 directly into the tuner. Just in case, I also have an RF choke that I made, and that might be useful for 30 and 40 meter. No luck on 30 meters so far. I tried on 20 also. We're pretty isolated here, and maybe it's just not the right part of the day. Good thing about the Weber MTR are the message memories. Here it's on beacon mode. Repeats every, I set it to about 12 seconds. Message memories are great for prepping because you can record an SOS and you don't have to key it all the time. You see the message will repeat again and I don't have to key it. So it's my fourth session here in the Canaries. Still no contact. And it's not that I'm not getting out, I just don't hear anyone either. I had one station report me in Spain, but that's it. So I don't know, maybe because we're isolated, maybe the bands are not cooperating, I'm not sure. The fact that I'm using a 6-meter wire also might explain it's really short. Something longer would have worked better, no doubt.